all my dreams come true when I dance with you.
Okay, will it be my forever?
Promise mine.
Let's go!
To the tree that we dance forever, it a wish that we make together on a night that I pray will never end.
Na-surprise siya.
Now it's not my imagination.
Matagal niya na kasi ito hinihintay. Ay, pinanipunan ko pa. Ang mahal kaya.
It's a boy or it's a girl? It's a yes!
Hindi ako mag-reveal.
It's a yes.
Girl or it's a boy? Sigaw, wait lang, wait. Sigaw mga team girl! Sigaw mga team boy! And 1, 2, 3, go! Walang triple celebration, magkakabigin tayo. Uy, nasa...
Salamat. Mga special guest, Mami Lay, thank you so much. Kat Pasi.
Family!
Yeah.
Time and sa effort ninyo and for celebrating with us. Thank you so much. Wait lang, nala ko'y pasalamatan. Doc Homer, Ma'am Cherry, thank you so much for your presence. Thank you kaayo. And to Daddy Road, Mami Lay, thank you. And sa tanan mga bisita sa Sweet Notes Music, of course, God Pasi! Thank you so much! Sweet Notes Music kay Ate.